Guys, I'm here to show you the UAS seat covers that we have available in stock now, ready to ship. Now let's keep in mind a few things, that they're not simply seat covers, although they do slip over the factory Polaris seats. They are made with the same process and the same quality as reupholstered seats. The UAS seat covers come standard in black marine grade waterproof vinyl, which is great, with 3 different color options for the piping and for the thread. You can get red, white, or silver, and then there's 2 different patterns that you can get that I'm going to show you here in a few minutes. You can get the double diamond pattern, and then you can get the pattern called the Lazio pattern. So these covers have additional padding, which is great, makes it for a more comfortable ride, and again, they are completely waterproof. You can get the heated cedar pads installed inside if you like as well. So they fit all year slingshots 15 to 21 factory seats, excluding though the SLR and the R factory seats. So now a custom look is available for your sling right off the shelf. No more boring plastic cheap seats. The installation is fairly simple, so make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, Underground AV. There will be a video uploaded to help with installation. So I'm going to show you real quick the 2 different patterns that I have here. I have the red double diamond pattern here. So you have the red stitching and the red piping. And then I have the Lazio pattern in red here. So it's the red piping and the red stitching. And then I also have another Lazio. So this is the white thread and the white stitching Lazio pattern here. So I'm going to take you outside real quick and I'm going to show you one of the patterns that we have installed outside in one of our slingshots. So here in our 4-seater we have the Lazio pattern. So this is the red stitching with the red piping. It looks so good. And again, this is the Lazio pattern. So again, these are available in stock now, ready to ship to you. Please make sure you're following all of our social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. And again, if you have any questions, please give the shop a call or send us an email and we will gladly help you out. And we can't wait to see our UAS seat covers on your slingshot.